2018 Chevy Equinox with the 1.5 engine air filter replacement. The engine air filter is located on the passenger side inside the box, and is held by 4 7mm on each corner. Let's start by removing them. Alright, don't take them out all the way. You pick it up. Alright, and here is your engine air filter. Oh Jesus, this one I've seen better days, that's for sure. Yep. Here is the new one. Here is the part number. 9 days difference between the two. That's your old one, that's your new one. Make sure when you put the new one in, that little I don't know, the tab, I don't know what they call it, face that way. It go in between those two things right here in his hand. And you put the cover back on in his hand. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.